Okay, how to use Amazon AU Live shopping feature. So in here, the very first thing to do is obviously get into your Amazon AU, right? So in here, like you can simply go through, like browse through any of the item that you want to buy and set an order on your Amazon AU, but on your Amazon AU, but in here, unfortunately, I have to tell you guys that you cannot actually use the Amazon Live shopping feature on your Amazon Australia because it's literally not available in it. So the only available reason is the US state. So if you are on the US and you're using the Amazon US, you'll be able to use that Amazon Live shopping feature. But if you're on like Amazon AU, which basically means you're on Australia, then unfortunately you won't be able to use that shopping feature because it does not have that feature. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.